Hello, Marcy and the crew. This is Danny from Gaming Outfitters. Just giving the whole rundown of the POS system. Once you get it and turn it on, it's gonna just be bricked. It's gonna tell you like sign in or some other thing. You're gonna want to hit hardware, and from there you can put in the network, and it'll work just fine. But just in case it messes up during the event, yeah, I doubt that's gonna happen. But just in case, you go to. Let me just set this up. We go to more. Scroll all the way down to settings, then hardware, and then it's going to say right there, not even connected. So the only thing you got to do is connect it to the Wi-Fi, whichever one it is. In this case, it's my phone, which is already plugged in and set up with the network. Once it hits the network, it'll update and do everything it needs to do. You don't have to change location, don't have to change anything. It's already chilling right there. So let's get out of this. Once the internet's all set up, you go to checkout or wherever else. They got a whole list, a whole library of whatever product you're trying to push out. If you go to keypad, that's just if you just want to punch in a number and not deal with any of that. But I got a better solution for that. We have all the items listed off. As you can see, it has a little difference right there. It says 2 prices. So to make life a little easier, I put most of the things on favorites. Well, everything. And as you can see, it's all there. Variations, like colors and things, like for keychains, the crew sock, or the pins. This is the only item, well, the only couple items that'll do this. You hit it, and it's going to give you a difference. And that's the variation. Either they want the regular white socks or right here black. Unfortunately, Square doesn't let you put pictures on variation. So that's kind of whack, but so yeah, other than that, everything should be on fine. Once you pick an item that has no variation, like you just straight up want a cinch bag, grab the cinch. It'll be ready to go in review sale. You just tap on that. Alienware cinch bag, it's there. So we hit charge, unless it's going to be cash. Then, you don't even have to deal with that. But if it's the card, right there, already set up. Confirm and pay. Hit this. They'll tap, hack, whatever they need to do to get you the payment. And once that's done, that's it. It'll revert back to the original screen. Let me just delete. Oh, and if you mess up and you don't want an item there anymore, you just slide, and it's gone. So yeah, so that should it's all set up, all ready to go. Like I said before, either you can hit it through lists, or you can hit favorites and just pick whatever variation you need. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, any other questions? Just scream or holler at me or Dave, and we got you set up. So yeah, I hope you guys kill it out there, which I know y'all will. Peace.